Imagine a world where your doctor could predict your future health by simply analyzing your genes. This isn't science fiction, it's the promise of genomic medicine. By understanding the information encoded in our DNA, we can diagnose diseases earlier, predict individual responses to treatments, and even prevent illnesses before they arise. This personalized approach to healthcare has the potential to transform the way we live and age. As we delve deeper into the human genome, we must grapple with complex ethical and practical questions. The journey into our genetic blueprint has just begun, and the discoveries we make along the way will shape the future of healthcare for generations to come. At its core, genomic medicine seeks to understand how our genes influence our health. Our genome, the complete set of our DNA, holds the instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. Genomic medicine uses technologies like DNA sequencing to read this genetic code. By analyzing an individual's genome, doctors can identify variations that may increase their risk of developing certain diseases. For example, mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes are known to significantly increase the risk of breast and ovarian cancers. This knowledge empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their health. They can opt for increased screenings, make lifestyle changes to mitigate their risk, or even consider preventative measures like surgery. Personalized medicine also allows doctors to tailor treatments based on an individual's genetic makeup, crucial in areas like cancer treatment. One of the most exciting frontiers in genomic medicine is the development of gene therapies. These groundbreaking treatments aim to correct the root cause of genetic diseases by modifying a patient's genes. Gene therapy typically involves delivering a functional copy of a gene into a patient's cells to replace or supplement a faulty gene. One remarkable example of gene therapy's success is the treatment of spinal muscular atrophy, a debilitating and often fatal genetic disorder that affects muscle movement. A groundbreaking gene therapy delivers a functional copy of the missing gene, dramatically improving muscle function and extending lifespan. As scientists continue to refine these techniques and develop safer and more effective delivery methods, gene therapies are poised to revolutionize the treatment of countless diseases. As with any transformative technology, genomic medicine raises a host of ethical and societal questions. The ability to read and potentially alter our genetic makeup comes with profound responsibilities. One of the most pressing concerns is the issue of privacy. Our genomes contain a wealth of personal information, and ensuring the confidentiality of this data is paramount. Who should have access to our genetic information? How can we prevent genetic discrimination in areas like employment or insurance? While this holds promise for treating diseases, it also raises the spectre of designer babies and the creation of genetic advantages. Open and honest public discourse is essential to navigate these uncharted waters. While the promise of genomic medicine is vast, we must also acknowledge the challenges in making these advancements accessible to all. The high cost of genetic testing and therapies threatens to exacerbate existing healthcare disparities. Developing and implementing genomic technologies requires significant financial investments in research, infrastructure, and trained personnel. This can make access to these advancements prohibitively expensive, particularly for individuals in low-resource settings or those without comprehensive health insurance. Historically, marginalized communities have been underrepresented in genetic research, leading to a lack of data and tailored treatments for these populations. Addressing these disparities requires advocating for policies that ensure equitable access to genomic testing and therapies. Genomic medicine's potential extends far beyond treating diseases. It holds the key to revolutionizing preventative healthcare. By identifying genetic predispositions early on, we can empower individuals to take proactive steps to mitigate their risk and potentially prevent diseases from manifesting in the first place. For example, if someone discovers they have a genetic predisposition to type 2 diabetes, They can make lifestyle changes like adopting a healthy diet and exercising regularly to significantly reduce their risk of developing the disease. This proactive approach to healthcare can lead to better health outcomes and reduce the burden on healthcare systems in the long run. Genomic screening at birth, or even prenatally, could also become increasingly common in the future. Instead of reacting to diseases after they occur, genomic medicine empowers us to be proactive and take control of our health destinies. The ultimate goal of genomic medicine is to usher in an era of truly personalized healthcare. Imagine a future where your medical treatments are as unique as your genetic code. This is the promise of precision medicine, where medical decisions are tailored to your individual needs and characteristics. In this future, your doctor will have a comprehensive understanding of your genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental exposures. This wealth of information will allow them to develop personalized prevention plans, prescribe medications that are most likely to be effective for you, and even predict your risk of developing certain diseases later in life. By understanding the genetic underpinnings of these conditions, we can develop more targeted treatments and interventions that improve patient outcomes and quality of life. The genomic revolution is upon us, and its impact on healthcare will be nothing short of transformative. We are on the cusp of a new era where our understanding of the human genome will fundamentally change the way we diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. Realizing the full potential of genomic medicine requires a concerted effort from all stakeholders. Scientists must continue to push the boundaries of genomic research. Policymakers must create a regulatory landscape that fosters innovation while protecting patients, and healthcare providers must embrace the paradigm shift towards personalized medicine. Most importantly, we, the public, must engage in informed dialogue about the ethical, societal, and economic implications of this transformative technology. Let us embrace the genomic revolution and work together to create a healthier and more equitable future for all.